All right, so I just came across something I had to show you guys. This is the cheapest E60 M5 I've ever seen by at least a few $1,000s. This is crazy price. But we're gonna review the state of it. I'm looking down here, but the camera's up there. We're gonna review the state of it, and we're gonna pick it apart, and should be interesting. So I got her up here. We're just gonna shrink that up. We're gonna smooth this over here a little bit, and here it is. It is a 2006 M5. They want $4,370 for it, and it's close to my house. It was posted 3 days ago. It's still there. What the hell's going on? There we go. So it has 106,000 miles on it. Mine has 102,000 miles on it. All right. You can see he's driving it here. You see her stuff up on the dash. I don't know if that's radio stuff or what that is, but see a few dash lights on there. A couple things. It might be the M button that's on there in the picture. I don't know. So here's the write-up on it. Transmission just stopped going into gear right before posting this. Come on, buddy. And he's got an update posted to it. Went to start the car this morning to show possible buyer, and it won't turn over now. Car is priced to sell. It might have water in the ECU. Who freaking knows? Title needs to be reassigned by the dealer because I've signed it, but can't go to my DMV because of the virus. The DMV is closed, so he's not totally lying about that. But to find a dealer that's going to do that for you, and the thing about it is, the DMV needs to be open for that. So nobody's going to buy this car because of that problem only. I have a dealership that can do it for you if you wait for them. Not sure what that means. Just bought the car with 100,000 miles on December 24th. Put about 6,000 miles on it. Car began making rattle noise, and soon after on the highway started skipping gears. Then after getting off, it stopped going into gear down the road. This is a shady description, which is what you expect for $4,000 M5. Car shakes and idle. Electronic oil sensor needs to be replaced. Other than that, the car is great condition. So I guess it's saying add oil to it, which the rattling noise, if it's saying add oil, could be your odd knock, could be a lot of stuff. Other than that, the car is in great condition. Leather, very nice. Cup holder does need a new spring. Car is very fast. Has a V10 under the hood. I won't scroll down to show his name, but he's got a few pictures of it here, and it's in St. Louis. So it looks to be black. I'm not sure which variant of black that is. It's got some LED halos in it. A picture in the snow. It's missing the tow hook cover. In this picture, the last picture, it was not. There's his plate, but I mean, he's got LCI taillights in it. Interesting. That's all the pictures. That's it. You don't get anything else. Am I going to go buy that car? No, I'm not. Ordinarily, would I go buy that? Probably. But with the virus going on, revenue's all jacked up. We've already right in the middle of a couple other projects. I don't need that right now at all. Would I buy this car if the virus wasn't going about? I would go take a look at it. I'd have to have them send me pictures of the title first and see what state it's in. I know all the title tricks from Missouri, but if it's signed very wrong, then it's going to be hard to fix that. It is cheap though. If the engine is knocking, I would not buy that. You know, you're going to sink another 10 grand in it. You're going to have 14, 15 grand in that car. I don't know. I think it's worth it. And I'm just making this video because it was just an unbelievable price. Some of you guys that live in St. Louis are going to be drooling, frothing at the mouth to go pick this up. And I'm not going to buy it, so knock yourself out. If he's got $4,370 on it, he'll probably take less for it. He's probably taking it to an indie shop at this point, and they probably told them, I don't even know, 20 grand to fix it or something crazy. SMG box work and possibly an engine, 20 grand all day long. Nope, it might be more than that. Fix it yourself. If it's not actually knocking, you could fix this car for probably a few $1,000s, $3,000 or $4,000, and you could be in at 8. If it has cosmetic problems, you could be in at 9. If you could do the work yourself, and if you're in at 9, you couldn't sell it right now, but after the pandemic's over, you could sell it and make some money on that car, no doubt. These cars, this is the cheapest one I've ever seen. There's not many for sale anymore. When I bought mine, there was a handful of them for 10 grand. Those are all gone. Everything you see now is 15 grand and up. So the market's right. That's a good deal. Thought you guys would love to see this video. So that's it. We'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.